grateful rising. America first versus Americans first. White American veterans versus white Afrikaners. What is a white American veteran? A white American veteran refers to an individual who served in the United Armed Forces and was honorably discharged who identifies as white or white alone, not Hispanic or Latino. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, in 2023, approximately 74% of living veterans identified as white. What is an Afrikaner? In South Africa, whites are commonly referred to as Afrikaners. This term specifically refers to white South Africans who are descendants of Dutch, French, German, and other Western European settlers who arrived in the 17th century. According to reports, the Afrikaners are being brought to America due to persecution. The report says that Trump will give the Afrikaners homes, health care, and other necessities of life. Let's switch for a minute and talk about white American vets and the persecution they are facing in America. These are some problems facing white American veterans. It's a well-known fact that all veterans are facing numerous problems here in America. I'm using the phrase white American veterans because Trump is bringing white refugees, as he called them, to America, promising the white Afrikaners home, health care, and the likes. When some American white veterans are homeless, they can't get access to health care. They can't get access to mental health and physical health care they need. So that's why I'm referring to them as white American veterans, not disregarding all the other veterans who gave their life or gave their sanity or just gave themselves. I thank you and salute you, American veterans. Here are a few issues white American vets are facing. Now remember, it says that Trump is going to give these people health care, mental health, or behavior adjustment disorder. Medical records of white American veterans reveal that 1 in 3 patients was diagnosed with at least one mental health disorder. 41% were diagnosed with either a mental health or a behavior adjustment disorder. In comparison or in combination with military-related diseases, many white American veterans developed substance use disorder, SUD, and a large number ultimately of white American veterans committed suicide. PTSD or shell shock. PTSD, now this is results from witnessing or experiencing directly or indirectly a traumatic event, something that just shakes you to the core. These white American veterans are tapping out because they saw and did some horrific things to protect America. Yet many of these white American veterans can't get mental health care. Suicide. With 18 to 22 veterans committing suicide on a daily basis, risk assessments and interventions are paramount. Did you hear that? 18 to 22 veterans a day. But since many of these white American veterans can't get health care that white Afrikaners are being given by Trump, these white American veterans continue to try and relieve their suffering by any means necessary. It says in the article, and as I said, I will have the link in the description, white veterans have the highest unadjusted suicide rate among veteran groups. This means the rate is higher before considering factors like age. The unadjusted suicide rate for white veterans was 36.3 per 100,000 in 2021. Now, hopefully that has decreased since 2021. Chronic pain. With 82% of OEF and OIF veterans reporting chronic pain, diagnosis and treatments are essential. But in order for them to get diagnosis and treatment, they have to have access to medical health, mental health. You see, a comprehensive assessment of pain is crucial. But here again, treatment is often denied these white American veterans who put their life on the line for America. Yet, America is offering health care to Afrikaners while denying health care to white American veterans. I posted a link in the description so you can read the many problems white American veterans who are denied health care that's given to the white Afrikaners are facing. See, these white Afrikaners who are getting these benefits, homes, when our vets are homeless, health care when many of our veterans can't get health care, they never did anything to protect America. So now my question to the white American veterans, what are you going to do about that? If you can go and fight other countries, kill up innocent people a lot of times, what are you going to do in your own country to protect you? Just like you went and fought to protect America. We went in, we were told certain things, so we did certain things. But white American veterans, what are you going to do right here? What are you going to do right here in your own country to protect you? You fought the enemy outside the country. Are you going to fight the enemy within your country? You know, when Trump was talking about deporting brown people, white Americans, you were all for it. When Trump was talking about getting rid of DEI, you were fine with it because you thought it was black people who benefited from DEI. When Trump said he was going to make America great again, many white American veterans hollered. Many white American veterans wallowed in the floor. Many white American veterans flew their Confederate flags high up in the air. So white American veterans, how does it feel to know that Trump doesn't give a flying, flapping flag about you? Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Support our youth in any way you can. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Albert C. Richardson, a black man, patent the butter churn U.S. patent number 446470, February 17th, 1891. I'm Lily Bayer. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember my story. White American veterans, you ousted yourself. Why did you do it? A Nat Turner Runner production. Lock and load. Lily Bayer. Be encouraged.